Welcome to the seated somatic stretching class, where we're taking the opportunity to focus on what feels right for you. Tune into your sensations so you can get more benefits from this class that you can carry with you into other classes as well. Let's begin seated on your chair, and you'll either be seated in the center of your chair or you can even be a little bit further forward and do a few rocks side to side. And these rocks side to side, notice how your weight just naturally shifts. You don't have to overthink it. Just getting comfortable with this alternating motion side to side. And then find a position where you're more equally weighted on the pelvis. And rock front and back a little bit. Notice how when you rock front, the back will most likely start to sway. When you rock back, the back starts to round a little bit. It can be low back or even higher up. Just being aware of how your body responds to this shifting on the chair. Then come to a position where you're a little bit more equal and even on your pelvis, just honoring natural curves of spine, and start gently swaying, not just the shoulders, but take the ribs. Take the ribs. Let the ribs gently go. Yes, the shoulders, the head will follow. So just noticing the connection that your body has. This is all so that you can find more ease here, so you don't feel like you have to hold any tension in the body. Let's release it away and see if that helps you feel better, if that helps you find more ideal posture rather than pushing through. And maybe start to come to stillness with that, rocking side to side. And one ear is going to come to the shoulder, like you're listening to your shoulder. So you may start stretching along the neck on opposite side and switch sides. And as you're slowly moving side to side, mention the word listening. I want you, as we continue through our time together, to listen to your body, to your sensations. What makes sense for you right now? And it could be following along as I'm suggesting. It could be doing something a little bit different, holding a stretch, or doing something completely different movement. Tune in to that. One more time each side. We'll come back to the neck, but for right now, keep the head more vertical and let the shoulders float up and simply soften the shoulders down. And again, shoulders glide up and down. So you have a big range of motion with your shoulders, just like you have a capacity for big, deep breaths. Let the shoulders stay soft and down. And now shoulders roll forward and back. So they round forward and back. Now this is not just the shoulders, but the shoulder blades. Can you sense where the shoulder blades, where the scapula are on your back? You can keep this forward and back, or maybe you'd like to start doing big, spacious circles with the shoulders. And maybe it's both at one time, or you want to do one at a time. So again, find the movement that your body appreciates. And notice when you're doing these circles, especially if you chose to do one at a time, maybe the body wants to respond to that. The rest of the body wants to move a little bit. And now just reverse the direction of the circles. Again, they can go at the same time. They can go one at a time. When you come back to this class, notice how maybe you want to do something very similar, or you want to do something a little bit different, how your practice changes even with the same class. Both shoulders up to the ears one more time and soften them down. And now ear to shoulder, roll the head down slowly. Take your time to explore this rolling motion. To the opposite, then bring the head upright and reverse your direction. So as you're doing these slow circles, where's your weight in the pelvis? Is the spine starting to hold on to extra tension, grip? Just allow your body to stay with natural curves, nothing forced. Notice as you're doing these so slow circles, how the sensation changes along the neck. May be one pocket, one area where there's a little bit more stretching. May even stretch into front of chest or upper back. Let's do one more time each side. Whenever the head is even, so you've done the same amount on one side compared to the other. Let's keep the head upright. And from the pelvis, start curling the pelvis back. Hands can stay on the thighs. Curl just the pelvis back and return. So this is so subtle. You're starting to curl back, but the chest, shoulders, and head pretty much stays where it is. It's a small, another way we can see this is maybe small rocking motion. Notice, do you like linking movement with breath? Or are you just breathing a little bit more naturally? Not trying to force anything, whether it's with breath or small rocks. Now, the action of the pelvis is going to stay a little bit more rooted and anchored, even as you lean forward a little bit. It could be hands stay on thighs, so this is supported lean forward, or your arms can come onto thighs. So play with this position. And from here, start just extending through upper and mid back and head. And then go back natural curves. So again, try to make this focused on, can you really sense upper, maybe middle, and neck, not so much arching in the lower back right now. So this part of the back, a little bit more challenging to go in this direction. So slow, small, taking your time. And just another time here. Very nice. And bring yourself up. Allow one ankle to cross over opposite thigh. And play. Rock gently forward and back, or maybe stay forward and it's maybe a tilt side to side. So play with the movement that your body appreciates here. Just gently moving through. So you're feeling whatever sway that you're choosing is decreasing the sensation a little bit and then increasing it a little bit. Just a little bit. And you always control the depth, the range of motion, so you can back out of it. Or if you're getting more comfortable, ease a little bit more into. Another time here. Very nice. Bring yourself up and switch the cross, taking your time. So again, once you're all set up, you can do a gentle forward and back. Maybe that's just right. Or maybe you want to stay a little bit more deep and you want to stay forward and rock side to side. Not about pushing. Deep, deep breaths instead. And where might you be able to soften a little bit? Where might you be able to release a little bit more? Another deep breath here. Very nice. And cross your legs. Feel both feet against the floor, intentionally so. So drawing more awareness into feet. Eyes, just soften the gaze, soften the brow line, or close your eyes. Whatever you're comfortable with. Whatever helps you really focus on sensation. Feet to floor. And feet to floor. Pelvis to chair seat. Pelvis to chair seat. So your 2 points of contact. Feet to floor. Pelvis to chair seat. Where do you want to place your hands so the shoulders don't have to roll forward so much? Maybe you slide the hands back a little bit. If you enjoyed this class and maybe you want to move a little bit more, really gently with your body, check out the class that you're seeing right now. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.